Hi guys, this is Vicky from Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen, and today we are at Nyali at the fitness center. We have an event where there will be also winners. The first one, the second one, and the third one. There is a prize to be won, and we're going to be selling fruit salad, tamarind juice, and sweet potatoes. Stay with us.
Number 2. Good job. Thank you. Make some noise, make some noise. Two more. So this is amazing. Thank you so much everyone for your support and taking part in this event and supporting 001 in this run. It's just amazing.
And all the team members, each and every person that has committed their time to be here today to make this event a success. I really have no words to actually say for what you guys have did today. This is a big event. Having you today here, coming all to make sure that this is a success. Actually, most of the times, it's not bad to run with the elites because this is where you get motivated. You get more secrets on how one can become at this level of elite athletes. I'm actually 43 years right now. So I didn't expect to beat most of the youngsters here. Is doing it, and you will achieve the results of what you are looking for. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Go out there and rock and be the best of yourself.